I like to talk not about erectile dysfunction, but sexual dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction has a big mental component to it. And unfortunately, our prescription medications not only cause erectile dysfunction, but the ones that we have specifically for this condition does nothing to our mental state. It doesn't make you horny, and it doesn't take the anxiety that you have around the sexual performance away. It increases blood flow to the penis. At the T Clinic, we have 6 different modalities that we can use individually, but I like to combine them to treat sexual dysfunction. So let's start at the beginning. For me, I start with hormone optimization. As we get older, our testosterone levels decrease, and the effect that this has on the ratio between testosterone and estrogen can lead to decrease in libido, decrease in sex drive, and this then lead to decreased erections, especially morning erections and spontaneous erections. Optimizing hormone levels not only work on the brain, but on the actual plumbing. So let's go there secondly. Blood flow is what gives us an erection. The better the blood flow and the more blood that we can get into the penis, the bigger and stronger your erection is going to be. So there we work on regenerative medicine, restoring the sponge tissue in the penis and increasing blood flow. We have 2 modalities for that, and in our practice we call it the ED shot, which is based on the use of PRP or platelet-rich plasma. We use bioelectrical stimulation, and bioelectrical stimulation mimics the electrical currents that are in the body, and by using the correct one, we can stimulate cells to regenerate or to reproduce, and that can give us not only better blood flow but a bigger penis. Combine platelet-rich plasma therapy with bioelectrical stimulation, and you get not only better erections, but lo and behold, a substantially bigger one as well. When we move over, there's a new kid on the block, actually 2, and one of them is peptide therapy. So peptides, being the building block of hormones, can be used to stimulate natural pathways. And one of the ones that we use do exactly that. A very new one is neuromodulators. So let's think of botulinum toxin. In layman's terms, Botox. What we think is a wrinkle-free forehead. If we inject that into a penis, it has a very simple effect by relaxing the muscles around blood vessels. Bigger blood vessel, more blood flow. So it works quite well in erectile dysfunction. And then our last resort, mine in any case, is for prescription medications. You have sildenafil, tadalafil, alprostadil. Unfortunately for me, they do not give us spontaneity. They work for a time, and then their action decreases. By combining all these modalities, you know what? We make cartwheels without using our hands.